Fast setup. 10-second setup with pre-assembled poles. Folds flat, making it easy to store and carry. Adjustable RAINFLY. Helps protect against wind and rain while also providing ventilation. Stay dry. Taped floor seams help keep you dry. Gear pockets. Keep small items stored away and organized. Dimensions. 7 feet 6 in by 4 feet 5 in with 2 feet 11 in center height. Warranty. 1 year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. As easy to set up as promised. I bought this for a mountain biking trip so I would not have to mess around setting up a tent. After a few laughs from my buddies, pop. My tent was up. Faster than one guy could run his hammock line to a second tree. I proceeded to enjoy a beverage or two watching the rest of the hangmake camp. I am a big guy, 6 feet 3 inches and about 240 and I fit fine. It was a bit of a squeeze getting in, but I fire comfortably in my bag on some sleeping pads. Stayed dry and ventilated as well. When it was time to go, I followed the directions in the bag and had it folded up and packed in the bag in less than 3 minutes. Great little tent. Update. Just got back from another successful trip with this little tent. Popped right open and folded back up again without any trouble.